Hey everybody, Mack and I are here in Pensacola Beach, Florida. We've had a great week.
We did. We were with Allan Bell and
leadership conference is about managing yourself better, managing people, leading.
and his leadership team. And
How do I bring this to my team? I reached out to a guy named Mack Story with Blue Collar Leadership. He comes around to organizations such as ours and teaches leadership.
some of his clients at Site and Utility. They do all types of construction work down here in Pensacola, Florida. And man,
Great group.
they were really, really a great group. And Allan wasn't so sure. This was an introduction for them, so he wasn't so sure, how they were going to buy in or not, or if they were going to buy in or not, and how strong it would be and that sort of stuff. So he had purchased like 500 books, and he didn't bring them, though. He was going to wait and then talk with everyone next week and pass out the books and start doing book studies. But the people were so fired up that they wanted to go back to the office, even though they were off for the weekend, because we did a 12 to 4 half-day event in the afternoon, and they were free to go. And man, they were ready to go back to the office and get some books. So Allan had to go back to the office and start handing out books. And one thing, Ria, is people talk about the blue-collar folks don't want to read books.
Yeah.
They're not readers. And we see it all over the country, just like we saw yesterday. Those folks wanted their book.
They're hungry to get better.
They didn't want to wait till next week. All right, we had a blast. You guys keep climbing. We're off to Waycross, Georgia.
Next stop.
All right, talk to you next time.